Hi, friends! Well, what did you think about the new digital companion kit? Many of you reached out to me and told me you are over the moon and you're so happy and you're loving it and you're going to have so much fun with it, and that's exactly what I had hoped. Now, I did have some questions about what kind of printer I use, and I also planned on filming a little. This is how I set up my printer to print them. So I'm going to do it old-fashioned, old school, and just hold my camera up to my computer to show you, but it's really, really easy. Alrighty, so here's my email, and when you click on each one of these, of course, that opens up the PDF. So I'm just going to open up, I'll just open up the sentiments. Okay, now I did print these already, and I don't need the front and back cover printed. I did print one of each, but you can see, depending on your computer, you can see over here all the different pages. So let's just say I want this one right here. So I can see over here that it's page 4. So I'm going to want to print that. So I'm just going to go up here to my little print icon. You could also download it, by the way, right? You could click here and download it. So either way will work. You do want to download it so that you have it. Look how dirty my screen is. Holy Hannah. So I hit print and it opened up a different screen. So I'm going to go over here. I'm going to hit print. And pages, I only want page 4. So I'm going to hit custom. And I'm going to, in here, I'm going to enter 4. If you wanted them all, well, there's, let me backpedal. I can see over here, there's 6 pages. So that includes the front and back. So if I want them all, I'm going to print pages 2 to 5, right? So I'm going to go back over to my print icon, right? I know I could have done the fancy pantsy screen share, but I think this is fine. So I'm going to hit custom, and then I'm going to type in 4. See that? Page 4. And so it pulls it up, and I only need 1 copy. If I want 2 copies, I would move that up, right? But I'm just going to do 1 copy. Whoops. 1 copy. I'm going to hit print. Here's what I use for a printer. Nothing fancy pantsy. Look how dirty it is. Look at the dust. And I do have cardstock in there, so it's a heavier cardstock. And there we have it. There we have it. When you are printing with heavy cardstock, I recommend not really putting in more than maybe 3 or 4 pages at a time, because it could jam, and it depends on the weight of your cardstock as well. Okay, I'm going to show you now. The PDFs have been downloaded, right? And the ephemera is in landscape. And when I say PDFs have been downloaded, it works better when you download them on your computer versus just opening them straight from your email as far as your printer settings go. So this is landscape, and I don't need all these pages right now. So let's just say I want to print off, we'll just do this one. Okay, so that's page 3 of 10. So I'm going to hit print, and then over here I'm going to click the little button here and put in 3, and you can see it changed it. And then I'm going to go down to more settings, and this is already set up in landscape. If you just open it straight from the email, it's going to be the wrong, it's going to be in portrait instead of landscape. So you want to make sure you're printing in landscape. And then here, if you click actual size, you watch what's going to happen. It's going to go right to the edge, and it's going to cut some of the images off. So click fit to printable area. Okay. And then I have it set up at 300 DPI on my computer, so that should be automatic. So you get pretty good quality depending on your printer and your ink. And there we go. There we go. Ready to be used. Now, I have printed these all off. The front and back cover I printed on cardstock because I wanted them on cardstock because I'm probably going to use them maybe in a bigger journal. Yeah, I'm not sure, but I wanted those to be in regular, like a cardstock, heavier cardstock. And then the papers, I just used a nicer quality of printer paper. This feels like 2. Oh, that one actually printed on the cardstock. Oh, some of these did. Here we go. So this is just printer paper. Okay, and you can print them double-sided if you want, but that's what I did. You could also send them to a office supply place and have them printed there, but that's that. This was a really big kit this month. A really big kit. So it's not always going to be this big, but I got carried away and I was just having too much fun, and I wanted you guys to have it all. Okay, let's start creating.